Ever wonder why people never forget their driving lessons? It's because what you learn stays with you for life. Whether you know nothing about car pedals or you have never touched a steering wheel before, everyone starts at the same point when it comes to driving safely on UK roads. Additionally, even if you already know how to drive, it is essential to take driving lessons again, to properly understand the road signs, traffic rules, and safe driving techniques. A well-structured driving lesson plan helps you progress step by step, making you a more confident and skilled driver. So let's keep it simple and dive into the details. And to get a driving license in London, you must take practical driving lessons after passing the theory test. But how many lessons do you actually need? What is the cost? How do you pay? And most importantly, how do you take lessons for the practical driving test? In today's video, we are answering all these questions, so don't skip and make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Okay, so the moment you pass your theory test, you need to book your practical test date as early as possible. Why? Because booking any driving test in the UK, whether theory or practical, is quite challenging. So if you want to know how to book a driving test slot fast, check the I button above for more details. Therefore, you should book the driving test date quickly when slots are available. Once the date is booked, you should start taking driving lessons without delay. Alright, now we will talk about how many driving lessons do you really need. The DVSA recommends around 45 hours of professional lessons, plus 22 hours of private practice, but here's the truth, it all depends on you. Some people might only need a few lessons while others might need more. So how do you figure it out? For that, you need to discuss with your instructor how many lessons you will need based on your skill level. If you are already comfortable behind the wheel, you might think you can skip the lessons. But think again. Driving in the UK is a whole different experience. From roundabouts to zebra crossings, the rules and road signs are unique. That's why even experienced drivers should take a minimum of 5 lessons to get up to speed. For most learners, 5 to 10 lessons are enough to master the basics. But if you want to feel fully confident, then go for 35 to 45 hours of lessons. And remember, it's your call when you are ready to take the test. The government does not set a minimum number of lessons, so it's all about how confident you feel. But trust us, rushing into it is not the move. Take your time, practice, and only book the test when you are 100% ready. Well, so now let's talk about the costs involved. How much should you pay for driving lessons? In the UK, driving lessons are paid hourly, and the cost can vary depending on where you live and who you choose as your instructor. On average, you are looking at £25 to £45 per hour, which you will pay directly to the instructor. That means if you take 40 lessons, you could be spending anywhere from £1,000 to £1,800. However, since you are paying per hour, try to stay focused and attentive during lessons so that you can complete your learning with as few lessons as possible for saving both time and money. Since you are paying by the hour, every minute counts. Stay focused, ask questions, and make the most of every lesson. The more you absorb, the fewer lessons you will need, and the more money you will save. You know, to get your UK driving license, you must take lessons under the guidance of an experienced driving instructor. In our next video, we will be talking about finding the best driving instructor in the UK. And getting your driving license is not just about passing a test, it's about becoming a safe, confident driver for life. And that journey starts with 3 things: the right lessons, the right instructor, and the right mindset. Whether you are a total beginner or just polishing your skills, this video is your ultimate roadmap to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more driving tips and guides. And if you have got any questions, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help you every step of the way.